Another approach that may help you solve a problem-solving question is picking numbers. If you have a problem that does not provide you with definite numbers, it is often useful to pick some numbers to work with. Try to choose numbers which will be easy for you to work with. Avoid, if possible, picking large numbers, 14,585, 3,658, etc., or fractional numbers, 0.287, 1/2, etc., as they are no more useful than small ones but can get you involved in lengthy calculations which waste time and increase your chances of making an error. For percentage problems, pick numbers such as 100 or 1,000, and for other problems, just pick small numbers which will be easy to use. When picking numbers, carefully read the question to determine what numbers you may choose. For example, if the question states that x is greater than 0, you may not pick 0 or negative numbers for x. To better understand how this method can be useful, consider the following example. Which of the following must be true if the third term in a set of 5 positive consecutive integers is an even number? This may seem a really tough problem if you are not quite aware of the properties of consecutive numbers, but picking numbers can make this problem a piece of pie. The properties of odd and even numbers are the same for all odd and all even numbers, and general properties of consecutive numbers can be applied to all consecutive numbers. So any set of 5 positive consecutive numbers with an even third term will work for this problem. Let's pick 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third term is 4, which is even, so we are good to go. Statement 1 says that the largest of these integers is odd. The number 6, the largest in our set, is even, so we can eliminate choices A and D as they both state that statement 1 must be true. Statement 2. The difference between the largest and smallest integers is an even number. The largest is 6, the smallest is 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4, which is an even number. Clearly, this statement is true, and therefore we can eliminate choice C, which does not include it. So far, we have eliminated A, C, D, and are left with B or E. Statement 3. The sum of the integers is even. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 20. This is an even number and, therefore, statement 3 must be true. So now we know that statements 2 and 3 must be true and the correct answer is E. As you can see, this seemingly hard problem testing your knowledge of properties of consecutive integers can be easily solved by picking numbers even if you have no idea of those properties.